Do you think getting a six-pack requires a gym membership or expensive equipment? Think again. You can sculpt visible abs right from your bedroom using just your body weight. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build six-pack abs at home with no gear, no excuses, and real results. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or trying to level up, this routine is perfect for anyone who wants a strong, defined core from the comfort of home. Let's jump right into the proven plan. You don't need fancy machines or a gym to build abs. Your body is your best tool. The key is to engage your entire core, stay consistent, and pair it with a clean diet. This workout targets upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and your deep core stabilizer, all without a single dumbbell. Here's the bodyweight circuit. No equipment needed. Plank. 1 minute, start strong. Tighten your core and hold a solid plank. This activates the full core. Leg raises, 15 reps. Keep your legs straight, lift slowly, and don't let your heels touch the ground. Great for lower abs. Bicycle crunches, 20 reps per side. Bring elbow to opposite knee, slow and controlled. This hits your obliques and builds definition. Toe touches, 20 reps. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and reach for your toes. Burn those upper abs. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. This adds a cardio boost while engaging your core. Perfect for burning belly fat. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat for 3 full rounds. That's it. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily can transform your core in 4 to 6 weeks. Abs are made in the kitchen. Here's what to focus on. Eat lean proteins, green veggies, and healthy fats. Avoid sugar, soda, and processed junk. Stay hydrated. Water boosts fat loss. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. That's when your body recovers and builds muscle. Optional, add a 15 to 20-minute walk or light cardio daily for better fat burning. You don't need machines, just motivation. Start this routine today. No excuses. And remember, it's not about doing it perfectly, it's about doing it consistently. Like this video if you're ready to start. Subscribe for more real, no-equipment fitness hacks. And comment below if you're committing to the challenge. Your six-pack starts right now. Let's go.